Bipolar junction transistors. The word transistor is a combination of the two words transfer and varistor, which describes the remote operation way back in early days of electronics development. Transistors are three terminal active devices made from different semiconductor materials that can act as either an insulator or a conductor by the application of a small signal voltage. The transistor's ability to change between these two states enables it to have two basic functions. Bipolar junction transistors' two basic functions are switching in digital electronics and amplification in analog electronics. Bipolar transistors have the ability to operate within three different regions. In active region, the transistor operates as an amplifier. In saturation, the transistor is fully on, operating as a switch. And in cutoff, the transistor is fully off, operating as a switch. There are two basic types of bipolar transistor construction: PNP and NPN. PNP or positive negative positive, and NPN or negative positive negative. PNP and NPN, which basically describes the physical arrangement of the P-type and N-type semiconductor materials from which they are made. The bipolar transistor basic construction consists of two p-in junctions, producing the three connecting terminals, with each terminal being given a name to identify it from other two. These three terminals are known and labeled as the emitter, the base, and the collector. Bipolar transistors are current regulating devices that control the amount of current flowing through them from the emitter to the collector terminals in proportion to the amount of biasing voltage applied to their base terminal, thus acting like a current control switch. The construction and circuit symbols for both the PNP and NPN bipolar transistors. This is a PNP transistor configuration. The arrow defines the emitter and conventional current flow in for a PNP transistor. The arrow in the circuit symbol always showing the direction of conventional current flow between the base terminal and its emitter terminal. This is a bipolar NPN transistor configuration. The arrow defines the emitter and conventional current flow out for a bipolar NPN transistor. There are three types of bipolar transistor configurations. First is the common base configuration. It has a voltage gain but no current gain. Second is the common emitter configuration. Has both current and voltage gain. And lastly, the common collector configuration. Has current gain but no voltage gain. The common base transistor circuit. This type of transistor arrangement is not very common due to its unusually high voltage gain characteristics. The common emitter amplifier circuit. In this type of configuration, the current flowing out of the transistor must be equal to the current flowing into the transistor, as the emitter current is given as emitter current equals collector current plus base current. The common collector transistor circuit. In the common collector configuration, the load resistance is collected in series with the emitter terminal, so its current is equal to that of the emitter current.